Here I have MICROMAX Canvas Pace, and let me show you how to use here secret codes on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Let's open the phone's dialer, let's activate the keypad, and let's use the secret code *## 6266 As you can see, MBN file load just pops up, so here you can use this menu. Let's go back. Now let's use the second code. So let's here enter the Google partner setup. So let's use here *## 759 *## and debug UI just pops up. Here you can view clients IDs, use pings, or for example change OEM mode. That's it. Now let's open here the calendar info. So let's use *## 225 *## and the calendar info just pops up. Let's use the back key. Now let's open here the Google Play service. So let's use *## 426 *##. The Google Play services just pops up. Now you can try to open the Android testing menu. So let's use *## 4636 *##. And sometimes this code may pops up. It's worth to try. It depends on your Android version. Now let's open the IMEI mode. So let's use *## 06 and IMEI mode just pops up in front of you. So that's it. Everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.